Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt sauce, step by step. This versatile sauce is perfect for many dishes, from grilled meats to fresh vegetables. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt, a small clove of garlic, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget your favorite fresh herbs, like dill or mint, and some salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, take 1 small garlic clove and mince it very finely. This ensures its flavor blends smoothly without being overpowering. Next, finely chop about 2 tablespoons of your chosen fresh herbs, such as dill, mint, or parsley. Finally, zest about half a lemon before you juice it. This adds a wonderful aromatic quality to your sauce, making it truly vibrant. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of plain yogurt, the finely minced garlic, and the chopped fresh herbs. Add about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Now, whisk everything together thoroughly. Continue mixing until the sauce is smooth and all the flavors are evenly distributed, creating a beautiful, creamy texture. The final step is to taste and adjust your delicious yogurt sauce. Take a small spoonful and check for seasoning. You might want to add a little more salt, pepper, or lemon juice to suit your preference. If you desire a slightly thinner consistency, stir in about 1 teaspoon of cold water or milk. Your sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, or for enhanced flavors, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.